Hey guys, this is something new that we're going to talk about today. So we've been kind of going over some of the teen numbers. We're also going to start looking at those in depth, and we're going to also start talking about the 20 family. So we're going to talk about the teen family today and the 20 family. So first let's look at this hundreds chart. It has numbers from 1 all the way to 100. And so to look at the teen family, let's start at the 10, the number 10. So look right here. Here's the number 10. It is our first number on the number chart that has 2 digits. So it has 2 digits, 1, 2, all right? It has a 1 and a 0. This 0 is going to be called the ones place. And this 1 right here that starts our teen numbers is going to be called the tens place. And so we have the number 10. So the teen numbers are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Let's look. All right. So when we have our teen numbers, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. All right, and so the blue numbers are teens that you have to kind of just remember their special name. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15 that are blue. All of these kind of have their own special name. Now, when you get to 13, if you think about third place, which is the number 3, then that could help you remember 13. Or if you think about fifth place for 15, which is the number 5, then you could try to remember it like that. But 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15 are the teen numbers that you have to think about the most when you're trying to remember their name. Now, the purple numbers right here, the 14, 16, 17, 18, and 19 are all numbers that say their own name. Listen, 14, 16, 17, 18, and 19. All right, guys, those are the teen numbers. We're going to look at the 20 numbers in another video.